Hi, my name is Ranjita and I'll be presenting the demo of assessment 4. So in this assessment, we are being asked to create three containers. So in container 1, we'll be installing our web server. In 2, we'll be installing the database. And from 3, we'll be accessing our web application. So first, I will show the network configuration of all the networks. So this is my Docker desktop. I have created three containers here. This is container 1, container 2, container 3. So my container 1 is basically where I have installed my web application using Flask framework, and this I have created using port 5000. And my container 2 is where I am installing database MySQL running on port 3306. And my container 3 is basically I'm creating this container using a Firefox image, which I'll be using to access my application. This browser I'll be using to access my application. So, and all these networks are part of a all these containers are part of a common network that I have created. So, my network name this is my network that I have created, and this all the containers I have added to this network. So now we can see the configuration of all this network attached to all the containers attached to this network. Yeah. We have to access our web application from the host. So first I'll be demonstrating that, and my web application is installed in container 1. So I'll be going to my local host, and the port is 5000. So this opens my web page, and before that I'll show my database. Yeah, so this is a database I have created in MySQL employees, and under that I have created one table EMP detail where I am storing the details of employee like their name, department, and salary. So currently I have added some records for my testing. So now for this particular demo I'll be adding some more records. So right now we have around 7 records in this table. So I'll go back to my browser here. I'll add some more records. So once I click submit, I get the message employee record successfully inserted. Now I'll go back to my database and I'll check my table. So we can see the record has been added here. So earlier we had 7 records here, and now we have one additional record. So this is about accessing the web application from the host machine. Now we'll come to the part where we have to access this application from our container 3. So as I have mentioned, in container 3 I have created using Firefox image. So I'll be accessing the Firefox first using the port 5800. So I'll go back to so this should open my Firefox page, and as I have demonstrated, like I have shown this network configuration. So my web application is installed in is created in container 1, and the IP address of container 1 is 172.18.04. So I'll be using this IP for accessing my web application from the container 3, which is basically using the web browser Firefox. So it gave me the page again. I'll be adding some more record. Yep. So successfully inserted the record. We'll go back to the DB. We'll check our table again. Yeah. So we can see that again one more record has been inserted. So this completes the demo of all the three parts which is asked in this assessment. Thank you.